Karon says sugi na imong bistok uban kang kapuso artist Matt Lozano.
Mga kapuso, mas ilailahon pa nato ang bag-o natong kapuso artist, ang very talented nga si Matt Lozano. Maayong buntag, Matt, and welcome to GMA Regional TV Live.
Hello po, maayong buntag po sa lahat ng mga nanonood.
Kumusta ka na, Matt? How are you doing? Kumusta ang buhay quarantine?
Sobrang okay naman. Medyo naka-cope up ako agad sa quarantine kahit nandito lang sa bahay. Kasi kahit nandito ako sa bahay, at least nakaka-perform pa rin ako.
Matt, you mentioned sa social media account mo, you were a child actor and you were able to do films at an early age. Kwentuhan mo naman kami sa naging experience mo.
It was a great experience. I remember na naka-eksena ko before si Sir Eddie Garcia, and it's a privilege, it's an honor to be working with him. And ayun, sobrang nakaka-proud because hindi ko akalain na ganun ako nung bata.
Growing up, do you really want to become an actor at pasukin talaga yung show business?
Nung nakikita ko yung mga work ng mom ko rin, sobrang natutuwa ako and interested ako sa lahat ng ginagawa nila. Kinalakihan ko yung trabaho nila. Sobrang nagustuhan ko siya, and palagi nila ako kasi sinasama before ng bata ako sa mga shooting nila. So sobrang kinulit ko sila ng kinulit hanggang sa hindi nila alam minsan nag-audition ako kung saan-saan.
And aside from being a child actor, Matt, you're also a very talented musician, di ba? Kasi nanalo ka sa Eat Bulaga sa singing competition nila, yung Spogify years ago. Let's throw back to the time na you were able to show a lot of people your singing talent. Pero what happened after that? Kasi hindi ka na namin nakita sa TV until now.
Yun, Spogify, it was a great experience, and hindi ko akalain na magiging grand winner ako that time. Yung experience ko nung time na yun, kakaiba eh. Kasi dati palagi ako sumasali din ng mga singing competitions. Nawala ako sa showbiz, nawala ako sa Eat Bulaga because of my weight. Pataba ako ng pataba, and I got depressed kasi nung tumaba ako, nawalan ako ng mga racket, and palagi ko tinatanong yung sarili ko ano ba nangyayari sa akin. And sa haba ng panahon, kaya ako nag-start na mag-workout ulit, and para maging fit din and maging healthy. Itong year na to, nung malaki-laki na yung na-lose ko, that's when I started to work out, and my mom introduced me to a coach, and siya yung nagko-coach sa akin. Tapos hanggang sa nagkaroon tayo ng pandemic.
And ngayon, Matt, na parte ka na ng GMA Artist Center, what can we expect from Matt Lozano? Ano yung mga career goals that you will be pursuing now?
You can expect also a lot of new songs na ako ang nagsulat. I'm gonna release my very, very first single very, very soon.
Before we end our interview, syempre naman, hindi kami papayag na hindi ka kakanta this morning.
Body's a wonderland. Your body's a wonder. I'll use my hands. Your body's a wonderland. Your body's a wonderland. Yeah, yeah. Put it up, put it in, put it up, put it up, put it in.
Wow, ang galing, Matt. Thank you so much. Keep on performing and keep on inspiring everyone. Daghang salamat, Matt.
Thank you so much po.
And that was Matt Lozano, mga kapuso, ang bago natong GMA artist nga mipaambit sa iyahang talento sa pag-awit, and of course, ang iyahang struggles usab sa iyahang weight problem. Kung aduna may setback, aduna gihapoy comeback, mga kapuso. Og mubalik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.